Hello and welcome to Traveling Teacher Talk. Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, Di, I've got a great question for you today. What are your feelings about technology in the classroom and using it, that kind of thing?
Well, I guess this is a bit of a contentious issue. There's two
Yeah,
schools
that's
of thought,
true.
and we've worked in two countries where one didn't like it and one did.
Yeah.
My feeling is go for it.
Use it?
Use it. The reason
I
I'm
agree.
saying that is because, hey, we're in the the reason for
21st century.
The 21st century, so welcome. And apart from that, this is going to be the children's future.
Yeah, true.
You know, like, I don't care what others think, to be honest, with respect to technology in the classroom, because you need to make the children aware of what's going to be their future. It's all around them anyway. You know, 90% or 99% of parents have got phones in their faces all the time, recording something or listening to something or texting, and the children see this. And so if you take that away from them, what are they going to do? They're just going to want that all the time. Well, you know, like, just think about it for yourself. If you've got a song playing in a different language, it might be like, say, okay, let's just cut to the chase here. If you've got a song playing and it's, you know, The Wheels on the Bus or whatever, and if the child can engage with the screen, are they more likely to stand up and do the actions and get involved? In my opinion and experience, yes. If you turn the screen away from them so they can't see anything, or you turn the screen off and it's just the sound, the music, they will probably do a little bit, you know, wheels on the bus go round and round. But, you know, if they're up and they're jumping around and they can see it and they're engaged with it,
I think a lot of people are caught in the previous generation, where they're thinking that this technology is people focusing on it too much and it's taking their attention. But used in the right sense, used in the right way and in the right context, it's such a useful tool. Audio visual in the classroom, I totally agree with too. It's such a useful tool. It's a trigger to what you're doing. You can incorporate content in there, like with songs, and the audio visual, they're not just sitting there just watching it, because you're there helping them move through that and not just to watch it. They might the first couple of times, but then you as a teacher, you're engaging with them and showing them the content and asking them questions, playing games with it, stopping it, asking questions, what's happening next, blah, blah, blah. You use it as a tool.
And you can turn it up and turn it down, as in loud and soft. You can do, you know, like, so many concepts you can teach through it. Fast and slow, you can speed it up so that they're going really, really fast, or you can slow it right down.
I mean, you use it to your advantage, right?
Exactly.
You use it to engage. Some of the problems that you find in schools is that kids are lacking connection, lacking engagement. And that's definitely one of the ways that you can engage them. Absolutely. You use that tool as a communication tool, as a way to connect with them and help them to find that energy and find that interest.
I mean, what I guess there's a lot of controversy around it if children are just plonked in front of it.
Yeah.
Like when we were growing up, you know, your parents used the television as a babysitter. You know, that I kind of draw the line. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe if it's a rainy day and it's the end of the day, or, you know, something like that. Or, you know, that's just a way of, we're going to put your shoes on now, so we'll watch something, or something like that. You know, use it in simple, short spurts.
But
I don't see it being a problem.
You're using it, right?
Yeah.
You're using it as a tool.
Yeah. And, you know, it might be Peppa Pig, but it's Peppa Pig has got some really great concepts as well. Things like that. But technology itself, getting back to the original question, is their future. And these kids are going to be the people that are looking after us. They're our future. I love this statement. It's something that we spoke about once before. And they're our future decision makers. So why not give them the best of everything? You know, give them what there is out there. You know, like, use it to your advantage.
These tools have been developed. They're part of our communication. They're part of the world. They're the tools that we use in everyday life anyways. I think we've got to come from the previous generation and appreciate that these tools are only going to expand and become more involved in our daily life. So use them in teaching in the right way, but use them.
Yeah, I mean, we have a little friend, a little Chinese friend, and we said to him about AI. We said to him, you can describe something and see what the picture comes out as. I mean, that itself, in the describing language, that was an advantage. But when the actual picture emerged, he was absolutely surprised.
He created it. I mean, okay, so he spoke the prompt, he created the prompt, but that's him understanding how common technology now works. He prompted the AI to create a picture, and he was, as you said, absolutely amazed at what came out. And that gave him food for thought. Yeah. That gave him an awareness of what he can do, a tool that he can use to be creative.
And his imagination went crazy, right?
Yeah, it was good to see.
So you can see how this can actually help. You can help, but anyway, there's so many things.
Use it wisely.
Absolutely, use it wisely. I'm in favor of it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Good job, dude.
That's what I think.
Thanks for watching. Hope this one helped. Like, share, and subscribe, and
let us know what you think.
Yeah, and see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.